Hi everyone. So today I'm going to be talking about cell theory and some atypical examples of cells. So there are three main points in cell theory. Firstly, all living organisms are composed of cells, whether that is unicellular organisms, which is one cell, or multicellular organisms. Secondly, all cells come from pre-existing cells, either through mitosis or binary fission. That is, cells do not show spontaneous generation. And you may remember, I think in 1.5, we talked about how the theory of spontaneous generation was falsified, meaning it was disproven by scientist Louis Pasteur. Thirdly, the cell is the smallest unit of life, capable of carrying out all functions of a living organism. That is, metabolism, reproduction, sensitivity, homeostasis, excretion, nutrition, and growth, or the acronym Mr. Sheng. So most organisms, whatever their size and complexity, conform to this cell theory. However, there are three types of cells that differ from typical cells that we need to know in the IB syllabus. Firstly, striated muscle tissue. It's made up of repeated units called sarcomeres, and if you do higher level, you may remember this from topic 11 on movement. The cell is atypical since it is multinucleated. It also is much larger than a typical cell, since it's about 30 mm in length. Secondly, there's the giant algae, which as its name suggests, is very large in size, approximately 0.5 to 10 centimeters in length. The cell can also be divided into three parts: the cap, the stalk, and the rhizoid. Hence, the cell challenges the idea that cells must be simple in structure and small in size. Thirdly, there's the acetate fungal hyphae. So this word septate refers to cell walls, which are called septa or septum for singular. Aseptate fungi means no dividing cell walls. As you can see, this aseptate hyphae does not have the dividing cell walls. This results in a shared cytoplasm and multiple nuclei. This challenges the idea that a cell is a single unit, as the fungal hyphae have firstly many nuclei, they're very large in size, and possess a continuous shared cytoplasm. Yeah, so that is cell theory and three examples of atypical cells. Thank you for listening. I hope this helped.